Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're an art enthusiast looking to track your collection, we've got a 2025 guide on how to use Airtable for just that. Let's dive right in. First things first, sign up for Airtable if you haven't done so already. It's a powerful tool that can help you manage your art collection effectively. This needs to be done because it's the first step to accessing Airtable's robust features. Next up, we create a new base. Click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This helps us because it allows us to customize our base to suit our specific needs. Now that we've done that, let's create our first table, naming it Artworks. Click on Add a Table, then Input Artworks. This step is vital because it's where we'll store information about each piece in our collection. The reason we do this next step is to record all the details about our artworks. In your new table, you can create fields for title, artist, year, medium, and even add photos. This is crucial because it ensures we have all the information about our art pieces at our fingertips. Next, let's create a view. Click on the Grid View button and choose Gallery. This helps us because it allows us to visually browse our collection in a gallery format. Now, let me explain why this matters. It's all about staying organized. With Airtable, you can easily add, remove, or edit entries, keeping your art collection data up to date. All right, we're nearly done. The final step is to share your base. Click the Share button and follow the prompts. This allows other art enthusiasts or potential buyers to browse your collection. And that's it. You've now set up your Airtable to track your art collection. Keep exploring and customizing your base to best suit your needs. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.